Sarika. Today's topic is very interesting as we are going to understand how to multiply a 3-digit number with a single digit with the help of these examples. So let's begin. Say we have to multiply 316 with 3. Children, always remember, start multiplication from the ones column. So 3 times 6 is 18. Write the 8 in the ones column and the 1 carried over to the tens column. Now 3 times 1 is 3. Children, don't forget there is a carryover. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Next 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So children, 316 times 3 is 948. Now 948 has 9 hundreds, 4 tens and 8 ones. Now let's see this example. Again, don't forget, start from the ones column. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 right in the ones column and 1 carried over to the tens place. 4 times 1 is 4. Children, remember there is a 1 which is carried over. So 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 4 times 4 is 16. So 414 times 4 is 1656. 1656 has 1600s, 5 tens and 6 ones. I hope this concept is clear to you. And if you like the video and would like to see more such videos, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.